Alright, making a note here that my wife's vehicle had a misfire. I think it was 1 through 6, and it's number 6 that failed. I had replaced number 6 with an older one that was in the car, and I did preventative maintenance so this wouldn't happen. So I didn't buy the Bosch or the other brands that people had bought. I bought Delphi, and thought that would be a good brand. So far, the Delphi, the first time I did 6 replacements, one of them was bad right out of the box. Bought another one, it was good. And this one, these in here so far have lasted, I think it's been about 1.5 years. I'll have to check my videos, but as of right now, I'm not impressed. So I'm gonna use these tools to remove the connector, and then I'm going to use this to remove the coil, and we'll see what happens. Should run fine. Hopefully no failures. If there's a failure, I'll let you know, but right now, kind of disappointed in Delphi. I probably will not be using that in my car. My other Cayenne. This is my wife's. Thanks, bye. All right, I looked, and it looks like the Delphis were put in January 24th or 29th. I can't read my writing, but of 2022. There was new spark plugs, Japanese NKG, I think they're called, and the Delphis. And I would believe it is about 125,000. And right now the car has 138. So I would guesstimate that's what it was. I didn't write down the mileage, but right now it's 138,000. So number 6 was replaced. Let's see how long this goes. And like I said in the previous videos that I did, I had to replace one right from the beginning. All right, let's see what happens. As always, please subscribe.